Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through our newest listing. This is a 2016 Scout 225 XSF. Black gel coat, freshly detailed, looks gorgeous. This boat was dry stacked locally. Coming around the back, twin swim platforms with the Aztec Fautique on both sides, reboarding ladder to the port side. 200 horsepower Yamaha Fourstroke with digital throttle and shift. Making our way inside, full bench seating along the back with a fold down wave gate so you can access either swim platform. Seat back locks into place there. Big, nice, oversized hardtop on this 22-foot center console. T-bag style storage underneath. LED lighting, and spreader lights fore and aft. Really comfortable leaning post here as well. This backrest actually removes if you want to have somebody facing aft, like if you were pulling a skewer or if you just wanted to sit off the back end and get this out of the way. The seat itself tilts forward and reveals a really deep live well that's lit and aerated. Also makes for a nice cooler or a trash can. You have an angled footrest here at the helm, stainless steel steering wheel on a tilt base. 7-inch touchscreen Garmin. The boat has trim tabs with LED indicators. Glove box storage that's lockable. Again, digital throttle and shift on that 200 Yamaha. Digital tack from Yamaha. 220 hours on the boat itself. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. And then aircraft style toggle switches. Coming around to the port side. Got a nice head area with room for a lot of storage. It's also where your battery switch is located. Forward-facing console seat with storage beneath. It's all finished and drained. Another area for a cooler. This also features a really nice high backrest. Got a V-shaped seating area up in the bow. Stainless steel grab rail. All of these cushions remove. Nice high backrest here as well. And then you have storage for your anchor locker. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at marinemax.com. And again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston. Thanks for watching.